Welcome to Robinson English. Just call me Coach Robinson Atiso. So today I am going to teach you some words related to air traffic. Airport. Airport. Return ticket. Return ticket. Single ticket. Single ticket. A plane. A plane. Luggage. Luggage. Hand luggage. Hand luggage. Plane ticket. Plane ticket. Departure. Departure. Customs officer. Customs officer. Timetable. Timetable. Passenger. Passenger. Passport. Passport. Fare. Fare. Information. Information. Delay. Delay. Trip. Trip. Traveler. Traveler. Arrival. Arrival. ID card. ID card. Boarding card. Boarding card. Customs. Customs. Entrance. Entrance. Exit. Exit. Flight attendant. Flight attendant. Departure gate. Departure gate. Suitcase. Suitcase. Tourist. Tourist. Toilets. Toilets. To travel by plane. To book a plane ticket. To check in one's luggage. To collect one's luggage. I have nothing to declare. Put the seat belt.